Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will explore an open source Chrome extension that helps you quickly find reliable Playwright locators directly from your web application. We will see how to use the Playwright Locator extension to identify element and generate locators, making test automation faster and easier. So let us see how this tool can simplify your Playwright automation workflow. In case if you come across any paid extension, no need to worry. This is kind of an open source, and this is the GitHub link for that. I'm going to give this GitHub URL to the description of this video, so don't worry. Okay, so let me just quickly access this. Okay, just to make sure everything is okay. Okay, and we are connected to the internet. Now next thing is like you need to go to the code and download this as a zip. Okay, so this we are downloading as a zip, and here you may have I would have downloaded this already, so I'm just clearing this. Okay, deleting the old one, and I will be extracting this to the folder. Okay, now let me show you, like there is a folder called this Playwright Locator main. Under this we have this manifest.json. So this is the parent folder for this particular extension, which we are going to use this in our browser. Okay, we will be installing it in our browser basically. All right, now how to install this particular extension which we have downloaded as a zip. So you have to make sure that this developer mode setting is on. Okay, otherwise you won't see this load unpacked extension update. So once this developer mode is on, you have to click on load unpacked, and then you have to go till this particular path, okay, where your manifest.json is there. Select this folder and you will see this Playwright Locator helper has been installed here as a extension. Now you will also be seeing this in here extension. Okay, now let us go to the one of your favorite site called open source or demo, or any web application of your choice, right, where you want to write some automation, Playwright automation, and you want to find the Playwright locator. Okay, there we will be leveraging our extension which we have downloaded and we have added to the Chrome extension. So open this, and what you have to do is like you have to click here. So this is how you have to use this. So you have to click on pick element, and then you have to click on the field, okay, or the web element for which you are looking for the Playwright locator. Okay, like get by role, okay, which you can use with the page fixture. So I will click here, and it will start scanning all the unique web locator. So it has found page.get by placeholder username. Okay, so this is the username, name of this particular is the username, and it is exact equal to set to true. Okay, exact true. CSS also it has found CSS by name, CSS by class. Okay, so you can just verify by clicking on verify. So it is highlighting one match highlighted. Okay, if there are two matches, then you have to just evaluate, right, and make sure that it is uniquely identified on the web page. In case, like, you can copy and evaluate here also. Okay, so it has to show one element highlighted. Okay, so in case if you have any difficulty for, using the selector hub or any kind of paid web locator or anything of that sort, so this is the place actually. So this is the open source extension, open source Playwright Locator, and you can evaluate your locator in this area, like the way you are evaluating the X path in the dev tool. Okay, by pressing F12. All right, so this is it, and you can also do anything. Just pick the next element and just scan here. Okay, and you can then verify. Yeah, it is highlighting. Copy, paste it here. Just see if it is uniquely identified or not. It will try to uniquely find the element by doing the exact match. Okay, and the same you can copy to your VS Code. Okay, somewhere here. page and give the await, of course. Okay, page dot get the by role button name login exact true. All right, so see, we have used this similar, right? And then yeah, so that's it. I think this is great, and so that's how you can use this open source Chrome extension to quickly identify Playwright locators while creating your automation script and add it to here, right, in your automation script basically. So it can save time and help you choose more reliable locator strategy during test development. So if you find this useful, like this video, subscribe to SDET and keep learning Playwright automation. So I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning, and thank you.